behind me. They're recording it. There she is up there somewhere. I don't know if you can see it. There. Oh dear. It was 46 degrees today. Working was horrendous. Blame it on the moon eclipse. That's why I'm sneezing. So my next video on YouTube will be the moon eclipse of 2018. The longest in the 21st century, lasting 1 hour and 43 minutes. Normally called the blood moon. See, I'll stop sneezing now. See, oops, she's nearly finished. Don't know if you can see it. It's focusing properly. Anyway, I think I finished sneezing. So, bye all.